Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we will be doing your them reading. I know most of you are waiting for your you and yours, right? But it's the end of the month is over now, and I thought I'll save it for the new energies of July. So today we're just going to check on your person's energy. So keep them in mind and let's see what's going on with them if you're interested. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn. Will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear about their person the most. Thank you. All right, Capricorn, let's begin your reading and let's see what your person is up to and how they're doing. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. Capricorn's person. All right. So Capricorn, bottom of my deck, I have the Fool card in reverse. So somebody is feeling, I think, rather foolish about some mistakes they've made. Maybe they didn't allow a new beginning to happen or something like that. On their mind, the problem here is that somebody was holding back here. Of course, they were holding back. They were not opening up maybe with you or talking about commitment, and maybe you dropped them, Capricorn, or this connection just got dropped somehow. Yes, the reason was, I think, lack of commitment and maybe a bit of lies. Somebody didn't want to really open up about their feelings or not tell the truth, and because there was no clarity, there was no focus as to where this connection was going, I think this connection kind of ended in the recent past from what I feel. But now going forward, I do see somebody who's wanting to now kind of level up and come forward as the person they should have been in the past. So let's clarify this much, Capricorn, and then we'll move on to what's happening with them. So Capricorn's person, Spirit, why do they have the Four of Pentacles? Of course, we'll do our dialogue cards as well, Capricorn, don't worry. We'll see what they want to say to you, okay, after I finish this reading. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there, Capricorn. So Four of Pentacles, Spirit, for Capricorn's person. Oh, they know they need to kind of give an apology here. They're feeling very, very bad about their own behavior, I think, now that, they are understanding now what they did, why they did it, realizing there is a need now to come forward and apologize to their person. They're feeling very sad about the way things kind of ended maybe in the recent past, right? They also understanding that it was because of their own holding back patterns or whatever, and now nothing else is kind of making sense for them except maybe think about you, and they do want to come forward and offer that little love offer or apology or something. But the problem here is this Two of Pentacles in reverse. So something has been dropped here. Now it's going to be a little tough for them, right, to come back. Yeah, somebody knew that I think this could be you, Capricorn. You waited, I think, for them to make a choice, and this gave you a lot of stress and tension, and you waited and you waited and you had sleepless nights, and finally I think you decided, hey, if they're not going to come forward, then I might as well drop this connection, right? So Hierophant, Spirit, in reverse. Hierophant. Yes, this person was at that time, I think, in their ego and pride. They did see that you were very desirable. They thought you were very sexy. They saw that you were very beautiful, and they did want to have victory with you in the past. They thought it was only for that. Hey, I'm going to claim this. This is great for me. They thought that it would be a chip on, like a medal on their shirt or something to say, hey, I won, Capricorn, right? Of course, energies can be flipped. You could have been the one doing this to your person. Sometimes the energies do flip in these kind of readings. So yes, in the past, your person never thought about commitment. For them, it was like, I have to win Capricorn over because they are so hot and everybody wants them. And if I get them, then I feel victorious. But this was a lie. Ace of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Swords, yes. Now all that fog has totally cleared. See, they were not admitting to themselves in the past, Capricorn. They were lying to themselves. But now that clarity has come. Two different decks. One was in reverse and now it's upright, which means total clarity, focus on as to, oh my God, this is the person I was meant to be with. This is the person I was meant to have my Four of Wands with. But in the past, maybe they behaved like a bit of a jerk and you dropped them, right? But now this person is totally clear. I was lying to myself, thinking this is just maybe a passionate connection and I have to win them over and I don't need to commit to anything like that. And now this person is understanding the total clarity in their mind that this is my person. This is the person I want to grow old with. This is the person I want to settle down with. But the problem here is, in the recent past, this connection has already been dropped now. Probably by you, I don't know. Ten of Swords in reverse. Ten of Swords in reverse in the recent past, Spirit. Yes, because they were behaving like a player. They came across thinking, oh my God, here's this Queen of Wands, so sexy and hot, and I'll be this Knight of Wands, sexy and hot, and then, we'll just have fun. So in the recent past, this is the kind of energy they came with, just to maybe have a passionate connection, or, they probably behaved like a playboy or a playgirl, I don't know. And you said, hey, this is not what I was looking for. I'm cutting this down. You are not my dream man. A Knight of Wands is not my dream man. So now they're understanding how their behavior killed the connection. But coming up, I do see them kind of maturing up here. Once this clarity has come to them, now they want to, come forward, showing you that, no, I'm the responsible one. I will take charge of this connection. I'm the marrying type. So let's see. King of Pentacles, what do you need to say to us? What do you need to say to us, King of Pentacles? They've been watching you. They've been watching you from afar. 1 second, let me see this. Okay, my battery is dying. Let me just put my battery back on, because this is getting interesting now. Okay, so, here's where we are. Okay, now they're recognizing that all their, this rash behavior or whatever has kind of actually left them feeling out in the cold. They are recognizing that their own behavior, their own in and out behavior, their rash communication, or never staying for too long, or behaving like a player or somebody immature, has kind of made both of you kind of get isolated from each other, or they are feeling a little abandoned now. They've been watching you from afar for a very long time, Capricorn. They have been keeping their eye on you. They've been studying you, and guess what? They've realized that, hey, this is my Queen of Pentacles, my King of Cups. This is like an equal pair. There is so much love in this King's heart, and there is a lot of love in this Queen of Pentacles heart. And together, I think they make a fabulous couple, because King of Cups is full of love. They are a mature energy, but sometimes they do have a little trouble showing their emotions. So I think this person has just been hiding their emotions all along and pretending to be somebody they were not. But now they've been watching and they're recognizing, oh my God, this is my perfect spouse. This is the person who's loving, caring, nurturing, beautiful. And what did I do? Now to match this Queen of Pentacles, I have to be a King of Pentacles. Actually go out there and not hide my emotions, and be at par with my person. So that's what this planning is going on. Yes, they are feeling quite bad. They're feeling quite bad about themselves and their own behavior. Right now they are kind of kicking themselves for being so immature. So Page of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Page of Swords. Yes, this person desperately wants a new beginning, but this came out sideways. They're not sure. They're not sure. As much as they want to take a leap of faith and move forward, they kind of get a little scared right now because they don't know whether you're going to accept them, Capricorn. They feel you probably think they're very immature now, and that's what this person is worried about. Where you are concerned, Capricorn, all you want is justice. You want an equal partnership. You want them to come and say and do the right things. And yeah, that's not a tall order, I would say. Why does Capricorn have the Justice card, Spirit? Why does Capricorn have the Justice? Yes, you would like to reconcile. Yes, Capricorn. You can tell me in the comment box. You definitely want to work with this person again. You are secretly, yes, hoping for a reconciliation. You do want things to level out and justice to be brought back into this situation. But they're a bit scared right now, but they are very hopeful, Capricorn. Their biggest wish is to come back as the Emperor, as the King of Pentacles. They really, really hope that you see them in this light now and not, how you saw them earlier as an immature person. So why is their biggest hope the Emperor, Spirit? Why is their biggest hope the Emperor? Because they love you so much. Capricorn, big thumbs up right now. Okay, so this person really, really loves you and they really hope that they haven't lost this chance of love with you. They are madly in love with you and they hope the same from you. And they really do want to, this is their hope. They show up, and I get accepted as their new version. Yes, they also hope for communication, of coming forward, of things to start moving at a quick pace. And for you to express your love to them and vice versa. I think this person is now ready. At the moment, they could be in their planning stage because I do see a Two of Wands here. This is at crossroads. They're a bit nervous here, Capricorn. That's about it. They're kind of, waiting and watching for the right time, I think. Why is the Two of Wands here, Spirit, for Capricorn's person? Two of Wands. They are wishing and hoping and dreaming. Oh my God, I love this reading again. Even the last one was fabulous for you, right? This person is healing, they're wishing, they're dreaming, they know you are their star. And right now they're just kind of taking a step back to prepare. This is like literally preparation time for them before they make that move. Some of them may have already, I don't know, but some of them may be right now still contemplating, healing, thinking. This is like that butterfly who finally emerges. So this person, from behaving like the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords, is now turning into, after this rest period, into that Emperor and that King of Pentacles. And yes, this love is true. This love is true. But right now they're feeling a bit foolish, I think, about the way they've behaved. So let's see, Capricorn, if they wanted to say something to you, what that would be. But before that, of course, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or message for Capricorn, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, wise decision. Yes, Capricorn, this will be a wise decision if you take them back. I do see them returning with good intentions, and they are also, I think, making these wise decisions now and changing their life around to be the best version of themselves for you. Wonderful. All right, so now let's see, Capricorn, the exciting part. Let's see if your person wanted to say something to you, what that would be. Capricorn's person, if you could say something to my Capricorn, what would that be? What would that be? Capricorn's person, what would you like to say? Of course, you can flip the energies, right? Capricorn? Okay. All right, let's take a couple more from here, Capricorn. Okay, good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your Dialogue message cards, and the first one here says, your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Wise decisions. That's why they're taking these wise decisions, because your company or the interaction they've had with you, they've actually become stronger from what they were. The transition is phenomenal. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. What have you done to this person, Capricorn? You've totally changed their persona. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. So I told you they're planning something. They are planning the best possible way to kind of win you back, I think. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. I'm getting goosebumps for some reason. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. Yes, they are still going through their transformation or whatever, or maybe this is the way they behaved in the past, and now they feel they made a fool of themselves in the bargain. But whatever distance they're keeping, it's for a good reason, because they're actually going through that change. I've never felt such an intense connection. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. Again, the reference to they are still kind of healing. I told you they're healing here. They're taking some time out. But when they come back, they want to come back correct. It's like you can't eat a cake which is half baked, right? It'll give you an upset stomach. So, give it time. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. So this little time apart it's actually doing them good, doing you good, doing your relationship good. Because once both of you have healed from past hurts, you can then make wise decisions for your life together. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. I hope it worked for you, and I'm going to see you now on Saturday for your love bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.